Hey loves, welcome to my channel. I'm Jennifer and today I'm going to be showing you how to make some Mardi Gras cookies that look like beads. So let's get started. This is a simple cookie to do, so I'm starting off by outlining my cookie with a flood icing. I have a outline flood icing, so I'm just using one bag. Once that's all flooded, I'm going to let it sit. I let my cookie sit overnight because my timing, it just worked out that way. But as long as you let it sit for about 15 minutes, then you can go ahead on and start adding some more details on top. Just be sure you don't touch the cookie because you're going to put a dent in it. Now to add the beads, what I'm going to do is use thicker consistency icing. So this is going to be my detail icing. I don't want to use flood because I don't want these circles to just move everywhere. I want them to keep their shape. So I'm just going to go around the cookie with different colors so it can look like beads. If you're new to my channel, make sure you do hit that subscribe button. Also, if you like this video, go ahead on and hit that like button. It helps out my channel and I very much appreciate it. And if you are new to cookie decorating and you would like to get a free ebook, I have that in my description box where I give out recipes, tips, and it's just a very helpful book for beginners. And this cookie is just coming out adorable. I'm just simply adding in yellow wherever I can fit it in. And I mean, hopefully it doesn't crater. Now with my icing, I use a thicker consistency to try and prevent craters, you know, but sometimes it's nothing you can do to prevent that. It just happens. It's going to be a little dip in the icing. So I'm not too concerned if it does that. I think that people will get what I'm trying to do. It's not going to make it look ugly, so don't get upset if you make a cookie and then it dents, like a circle has a little dent in the middle. It happens. And if you're still watching this video, go ahead on and comment beads to let me know that you watched it all the way to the end. Be sure to subscribe, like this video, and let me know, do you like these set of beads? Do you want real beads? I mean, I'm fine with eating this cookie bead. I don't need to go to a parade. But anyway, guys, thanks for hanging out with me, and I'll catch you in the next one.